Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and today you guys are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that we got that out the way, let's get on to what this video is about. Alright guys, so for today's video, we're going to do some ASL. Yes, Thanksgiving ASL. So I'm going to show you guys some signs you guys can do with your family and friends for Thanksgiving. Alright, disclaimer. Let me let you guys know now. I am not an interpreter. I am not an ASL interpreter. I'm not a pro or none of that. It's just the love that I have. Like I tell you guys in all my videos, when I was younger, my cousin taught me some ASL, and as I grew older, I just kind of learned some from doing my own research, and also I have a friend that's an interpreter. She has helped me with many things to incorporate in my classroom with students that may be autism, nonverbal, or whatever the case may be. So it's just a love that it's something that I just teach my kids every year just because. So yeah, we just gonna go ahead and jump on into it. I don't want this video to be long. Hope you guys can use this. Hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, first thing that I'm going to teach you guys is Happy Thanksgiving. So I think I already taught you guys happy when I did the Halloween ASL video. So happy, thanks, thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. I like that one. Happy Thanksgiving. Let me sit back so I can make sure you guys can see me. Also, they also do Happy Thanksgiving like this. They do happy and then turkey, like a Q. Wiggle it. Y'all know how that turkey had that little fatty meat. Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving. To me, that visually looked like Happy Turkey Day. That's just to me. So you can do it. So Happy Thanksgiving or Happy Thanksgiving, however you want to do it. All right, so since I already showed you guys this, let's go ahead and go into this. This is like a Q. Turkey. 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 Remember that because we're going to come back to that. Turkey. All right, so for Thanksgiving, you gather with your family. So I'm going to show you guys gather. So you're going to do C, two C's, like in sign language, and you're just going to bring it around. Gather. 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 When you gather with your family. So I'm going to show you guys family. So F in sign language, just like you just did gather. So you're going to do two F's. And then you're just going to bring it across just like you did gather. Family. Family. Gather with family. So gather with family. All right, not only do you gather with your family, you also gather with your friends. Friends. One friend, two friends. Friends. So gather with family and friends. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to teach you guys, when you gather, I did family. When you gather with your family and friends, you guys eat or feast. Feast, eat. I know I'm going to do a lot of eating. So eat. Y'all eat a lot of turkey. All right. So now that I taught you guys that, I want to teach you guys some foods, some different foods. All right, so I taught you guys turkey. Let's do some foods, turkey. So let's start with turkey and bread. So bread is like you're doing a B, and you take this hand and you go down like you're cutting bread slices. Bread. All right, so turkey, bread, and we all like cornbread. So I'm going to teach you guys corn first. So corn, take your index finger, and you know how you like eat corn like that. So corn, corn, bread, cornbread, cornbread. All right. I'm going to show you guys potato. So get your fist and you're going to take these 2 fingers on your other hand and kind of like poke down like you're sticking a fork in a potato. So potato, potato. All right, I just taught you guys potato. Done potato. Now I'm going to teach you guys mashed potatoes. So open your fist and you take this hand and you're going to mash like you're mashing. Mash potatoes. Mash potatoes. Y'all excuse me, my nails get in the way. Mashed potatoes. All right, so for Thanksgiving, Miss Lockett is all for the desserts. So I want to show you guys desserts because we love our sweets. I love my sweets, okay? So D, just like we did family. We're going to do 2 Ds, or we did gathering or family. You're going to do 2 Ds and you're going to bring it in together. Desserts. Desserts. So here, desserts. Bring them in together. Desserts. All right, now I'm going to show you guys pie. We all love pie. I know I do. So pie, you take this hand out and then you take this hand. It's going to be like a knife and then you act like you're cutting pie. So pie, like you're cutting a pie slice. Pie. All right, so I already taught you guys this. I taught you guys pumpkin in the Halloween one. So pumpkin, pumpkin, pie. Pumpkin pie. And then we all love sweet potato pie. Some people eat pumpkin pie. Like I was saying, my family, we do sweet potato pie. So sweet. So this is sweet. Sweet potato. Just taught you guys potato. Stick a fork in it. And then pie. Cut your pie. So sweet potato pie. And then my favorite, my family also do this. My mom's favorite dessert when she was here. Apple pie. I want apple pie and ice cream. All right, let me teach you guys vegetables. So V, this is V in sign language. Put it close to your mouth, which most of your foods you'll do, it'll probably be by the mouth. So vegetables, vegetables. Bring that index finger in. Vegetables. Vegetables. So once you get through eating all of that good food, you're done. I'm done. You are too full. Done. I am full. All right, so after I want to teach you guys these last 2 signs. I know my family, after we get through eating on Thanksgiving Day, y'all know they had a Thanksgiving football game, so we watched some football, like the teams coming together. Football, we watched some football, and we also wake up to watch the Thanksgiving Day parade. I like this one. It's like little people walking down the street. Parade. So we watched some football and we watched the parade. Y'all, I am done. That's all I have for you guys. Yay! So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys learned something. I hope that you guys can use these signs. And yeah, y'all, happy Thanksgiving to you guys. I am thankful for you. I am thankful for my family and my friends. And I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. And Miss Lockett will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy y'all Turkey Day, because I am. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETC.